visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Away-bati na agad itong sitwasyon na ito, no? I can call this situationship because this is for singles and no label, no? Hindi pa man kayo, wala pa mang formality na kayo na nga. Pwedeng meron kayong mutual understanding, pero nagiging away-bati. The 5 of Wands, the 2 of Wands, the 10 of Cups. In ano bang tawag doon? In layman's term or colloquial term, no? Parehas kayong may toyo, no? Parehas kayong tinotoyo, parang either hindi match ang zodiac signs ninyo or parehas kayo ng zodiac signs kaya kayo nagka-clash. With the 5 of Wands, nakikita natin dito na pag nagselos yung isa, pagsaselosin naman niya yung kabila. So, nakikita natin dito na meron ditong mirrored energy, yes, with the 2 of Wands, pero ang bilis din ng switch kung magkaaway tayo ngayon, nagtatawanan tayo mamaya, and then mamaya babalik na naman tayo sa girian. So, medyo nakakaloka yung situation ninyo. And this is understandable, especially for those who are starting not to getting to know each other. Kasi nga naman, wala yung familiarity. So, both of you, meron kayong sariling buhay, may sarili ko yung mundo. And you know, parang yung now you want to share one world, no? Pero hindi talaga siya ganun kadali. Magka-clash yan. Dahil kailangan na ng adjustments with the 10 of Wands and the Death card. So ito na nga, parang meron dito nag-iisip na ito bang situation na to, or ito bang taong to, magiging ganito ba yung buhay ko or buhay namin kapag naging kami na. So meron nang nag-iisip kasi parang on a loop, no, itong relationship na ito. I hope hindi pa naman ito toxic. Wala pa akong nakikitang toxicity. Although yung away-bate medyo toxic siya, pero ito understandable kasi nga nagsisimula pa lang. So para siyang trabaho, 'di ba? Or para siyang isang task na hindi mo naman talaga alam pero binigay sa iyo. You have to practice. So nagkakamali up until you get the hang of it and perfect, no, kung ano man itong mga procedures. Gano'n naman talaga. No one started as a pro. So, nandito kayo sa practice level, no, ng relationship na ito. Although nandun naman talaga yung love, tignan pa nga natin dahil medyo nakaka-intriga. The Knight of Cups and the 4 of Pentacles. Kasi medyo bagalan nyo ng kaunti. Parang feeling ko, sobrang napapabilis yung mga bagay-bagay. No wonder because there are 2 of Wands in here. So, bagalan lang ng kaunti. Yun yung sinasabi dito ng energies, no? Kasi there might be some things that we might do or jump into conclusions because we don't barely know the person yet. Don't go into assumptions or judgment right away. The reason being is there might be a reason behind that. So getting to know each other more deeply, it could be, you know, the topic comes from a deeper issues from the past. It can be a childhood wound, no? Yeah, pero nakakita naman tayo dito na if you're going to get the hang of it, this is a potential love story. And this is a potential sabihin natin couple na maiintindihan yung isa't isa. Yun nga lang, it comes from a different, you know, point of views and different background. So yeah, this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Of course, reading mo to, pwedeng lumabas ang inyong sun sign or yung ascendant, if not, yung inyong placement ng inyong chart. Taurus, Pisces, I'm seeing Scorpio, Cancer, Leo, Sagittarius, and Aries. This is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.